is Crystal with Pineapple Papers, and I have a design team project for the Scrap Room. And today I am using the Freaky Fast Friday formula, and I am also playing along with the Bella Boulevard Snowflake Season part of the kit. And so I am starting with the first cut, which is a 9x9. And I cut that out in that really fun heart paper, which interestingly enough, it kind of looks like heart chevrons on the screen there, but in person, I actually didn't see that. And then the next cut that I did was the 3x11, and I did that out of the other side of the heart paper, which is kind of a tone-on-tone blue, and it says wintertime. And then for the 1/2x11.5, I cut it out of this pink polka dot paper. And then I'm trying to figure out what I want to do the 2.5-inch circle. I was thinking maybe the pink again. I have the cardstock from the kit, and so I decided to do it out of that. So I did have to turn my camera off from filming and then use my Cricut to cut out that circle. And this cardstock is Mediterranean. I did decide to just cut the circle out of the center, knowing that I am going to use the heart paper to cover up. So I'm thinking, okay, so do I like the background to be the blue, or do I want to add some white? I am doing a photo of a sunset at our house off our deck after it had snowed. So I do decide I definitely want the background to be, I guess it's the frame of the layout. I want to be in the cardstock. And then I'm going to bring in the white, but now I have the white cardstock and I have the white of the heart paper. And I'm like, that just isn't, it's just going to get lost. So I'm like, okay, let me gut the cardstock. And I didn't measure it. If I had measured it, that probably would have been helpful, but I didn't. So because my thought is I'm going to use the cardstock to back the heart paper. So you'll see here that it doesn't quite go all the way around. So I'm going to have to do a little something creative. I don't know if it's creative or not, but it works. So I did rough up the edges of the white cardstock, and I will rough up the edges of all the pattern papers. I didn't choose to rough up the edges of the blue cardstock that I'm adding. So you can see here, like, I'm just short, right? I'm like, But I have this 1/2 inch by 11.5 piece, and it fits perfectly at the bottom. So you all know that it's not fully across there, but this works to cover it up. Also, that cardstock had like a branding strip on it, so I did go ahead and cut that off. So I'm going to use that as the mat as well, or as the shelf there as well. And then I'm going to mat my photo in this pink, which goes really well with some of the colors in the sunset. I think that Arizona has one of the best sunsets. And so I'm sure people from other places would disagree, but we usually get some very colorful sunsets, which is always nice. So for the actual layout, the other piece is just that 9 by 11 or 3 by 11, I mean. So that's going to be a horizontal piece. And then I'm trying to figure out where this circle is going to go. It's kind of small. I'm like, okay, it's got to be like the base for one of my embellishment clusters. So I'm going through the ephemera bits that I got for my flavors of the month. I'm going to use the title that says Snow Much Fun. I'm going to put that down there at the bottom. I have a little banner that says fun. I'm going to put at the top. And then I like all these little houses down here on the bottom, and it says Burr. I've got the mittens down there, added a couple of the snowflake die cuts. So I'm going to do a pretty good job of using up the majority of the ephemera that I got. And then I'm going to bring in the Doodle Pop that is from the ephemera kit, and I'm going to use one of these really cute penguins down here. I'm going to pick the one with the pink hat because the one with the blue hat would blend into that strip of paper too much. So he's pretty cute. He's going to go down there. And then I have that winter banner up there at the top. I think because then it says winter fun, and I was like, okay, I like that. But I feel like it's kind of getting lost in the whiteness of the white cardstock. And so I'm like, what can I do to kind of make it stand out a little bit more? And what I'm going to choose to do is I'm going to take a pen and I am going to do a doodly border of it. And I actually hate it. And it is going to come off of this layout because it just doesn't work. It's the only thing that has a doodly border. And it's a terrible doodly border. So I think if I had, I don't know, stopped, I just kept going. I mean, I guess it doesn't look terrible, but I don't like it. And then when I took it off, of course, it tore it a little bit. So this heart die cut's going to go where I tore the paper. And I am going to add the enamel hearts as well. I'm going to scatter those around in the 3 clusters. So there are 4. I get all 4 of them on this layout. I'm looking to see if I want to add anything else, but it doesn't look like it. So this is a final look at my layout. I hope that you enjoyed this. I hope that you get some inspiration for the Freaky Fast Friday formula. I will have links for the scrap room down below so you can get your hands on these kits. And then if you have any questions, please leave them down below. And head over to the Facebook group and play along so we can see what you make. So remember to wear your crown, and we'll see you next time. Bye.